So hey guys, welcome back on my YouTube channel. It's me Anam, and today I am going to show you how to make really cute nails with polygel. So first let me show you swatches. I got few polygels from Model Ones. I got two white and nude and yellow, pink, glitter black, and one is really cool. One is with butterflies, so let's unbox them. So first we have this soft pink polygel. Wait, let me zoom in. So first we got this soft pink polygel. Anam and her struggles. Finally I opened this. This shade is so pretty. It's like white polygel with little bit of pink color. This looks so cute. Then we got this glitter black one. Wow, this polygel is so pretty. It has some golden glitters in it. It looks so cool. Then we have this yellow polygel. Again, Anam and her struggles. This polygel is also so good. This color is so bright. Then I got this basic white one. Then we got this nude one. This shade is basic nude one. Then we got this cool polygel. This has some butterflies in it. This is clear polygel with some holographic glitter chunks. Here are the final swatches. So now let's do the nails. So today instead of dual foam I'm going to use this nail tips as a base. So before applying tips, make sure to file your nails and remove the shiny layer from your nails. It will help the tips to stick properly. I saw lots of reels on this topic. Lots of people are saying that if you don't have the dehydrator, you can use the acetone, and I tried the acetone as a dehydrator and it works. So if you don't have dehydrator, of course you can use acetone instead of dehydrator. It's a great hack. File your nail tips from inside too. Now just stick the tip on your nails with the help of nail glue. So now let's cut and shape the nails. I am done shaping these nails. So you just need some alcohol as a slip solution. You can use the slip solution as well, but I don't like the slip solution from model ones, so that's why I'm using the rubbing alcohol. So today I am using this soft pink one. This polygel is quite nice. I like this polygel. This polygel is not that sticky. I only use the polygel from Yayog. Other than that, I didn't use any other polygel, but this one is so good. This one is not that much sticky, so that you can use this polygel really easily. So I'm using this 2-in-1 top coat and base coat from Rosalind. So this 2-in-1 base coat and top coat is so good. If you want to buy this, you can check out the description box. So I am using really less polygel. I don't like that thick layers of polygel on nails. I like thin nails. That's why I am using really less polygel. It depends on you how much polygel you want to use. So after applying polygel, I just cure the polygel and then I just file the nails. So now I just done filing my nails. Now I just have to wash my nails to remove the dust from my nails and hands. I am done washing my hands. Now I just have to do art on these nails. So today I am going to do 3D nail art on my nails. So I just need a little bit of monomer and acrylic. So the monomer and the acrylic is from Model Ones. So if you want to buy that, you can check out the description box. Then I just make some donuts on my thumbnail with acrylic. On my index fingernail, I am making one lollipop, 3D lollipop with acrylic. Then on my ring fingernail, I am making one giant donut. For my pinky fingernails, I am decorating it with some pink rhinestones. So today I am using all of my gel paints from Rosalind. Their nail paint is so good. They sent me their 24 mini nail paint, not nail paint, gel polish kit. So if you want to buy this, you can check out the description box. The nail paint is good. I like them. Then I draw some sprinkles on the donut and then I just color the lollipop. Now we need some rhinestones. Done, they look so pretty with rhinestones. Now on my middle finger I am sticking one 3D flower on it. Now I am just sealing it with one top coat. The top coat is from Born Pretty. Done, they are looking so cute, isn't it? Thank you so much, Rosalind, for sending me your gel paint kit, and thank you so much guys for watching this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, share, comment, and thank you so much for your love and support. Take care. See you soon. Bye.